January 17th. It's about 10 till 6. Scott and Wyatt and I've been down here. I just been driving the tractor, holding them up, and we've been putting up rafters. Sorry for the lighting. Yeah, it's about dark. It's supposed to rain tonight, but we just have to take little steps at this when we can. And we got one more rafter to stand up. They're figuring out how to put a scab on the outside to hold it up so we can get it put on there. It's a 18-foot span on those. And I have 2x6s laid on the top. And anybody that's worried about that, they're oak, so they're hard. Ain't gonna get none. Helps to have a massive equipment when you're putting stuff like this up. So it all looked pretty good, but we got one of them at the end of it sitting on bark, and that was too low. I think it's that one. I have to take it loose and raise it up. Get ready to put the purlins on. We're ready to get the last board off of that trailer. And Wyatt's ready to go to the house. He couldn't hear it for the tractor running, but my stomach was growling.
Yeah, I think Mom's good to Can you get me up there?
Yeah. How are you going to get the board on the outside, though? That's the thing I'm having a little trouble understanding. But unless we put it on the outside before we start.
Is there any way on the outside you can put me to here?
I can try. Let me drive around there. Yippee. It's going good. Saturday, January 21. Scott and I put all the purlin boards up, the nailers, and the nailer across the front, and the second 2x8 up across the back on the inside, right up against the bottom of the rafters. And it's just now starting to sprinkle. They say it's going to rain, but it's a little after 2 o'clock. We started about 8. Making some progress. The next thing to do is put metal on that roof and heat metal the roof and 2 of his sides right now and get pretty good. He's talking about moving the mill when he gets that far, so we'll see. It'll be a whole day's worth of unwiring and wiring to move that mill. Anyway, coming right along.